I left my Dirt Devil Vibe. The Devil Vibe comes with the cup. Push the button down and lift up. Take the filter out. And all the dust and debris just shakes right out into a bag or your trash can. Pet hair, whatever it is you've collected, comes right out. I have a cat and a dog, so I have plenty of pet hair. And plenty of cat litter. We're going to be picking up some cat litter, pet hair, probably little papers, because my dog Nick loves to get into Kleenexes and toilet paper and such and aggravate me really bad with it, but he does that. So you just put that filter right back in. Realign your cup on your vacuum cleaner. And then you put this section on for the cleanup in the cage is what I would use. If I was cleaning my car, I would use the handheld version. We're cleaning cat litter out of the cat cage. Glitter everywhere. It can. With this little thing, cleans it right up. But that's the handheld version. Now, it also has a feature that you can use as a vacuum cleaner. In the very top, there's a hose, and you merely stick the piece in till it snaps in place. With this feature, you can get down in the crevices, just like the vacuum cleaner. You can clean up small spills with it. You don't want the other part on. Now, the other attachment the notch here up on the floor part. You're going to push all the way down. It activates the rotary and it picks up as a vacuum cleaner. Wherever you might have a little dirt, hair, it does pick up hair, but if it's embedded down in the carpet any, you may need a larger vacuum cleaner. Now, anyone who has a cat or a kid near a beach know that sand and litter is gritty under the feet. It works just well, really well, on picking up whatever is on your hardwood floors, linoleum or whatever. It goes well under the bed. I mean, it is excellent for your quick cleanup. And all that grit is gone. The dust mop helps, but it don't always get it all. And so the versatility of it is just really helpful. And what I really love is I do not have to buy vacuum cleaner bags for this. It has a cup, I empty it out. Now, if my filter ever gives away, I do hope that Dirt Devil has a way to replace the filter cup. But other than that, there's nothing to ever purchase. You just sit there and have yourself a very good cleaning good time. Quick, it's light, not heavy at all. You just pick it up, do your stairs, and things. There's no attachment to do like curtains and over that. You know, this is the only attachment to it. But it's very lightweight. These type things I personally am not concerned with because I do have a Kirby. And my Kirby gets those things done for me. It has the attachment, but it's heavy, and I'm not taking it on anybody's stairway. And it sucks this little carpet up, and all the throw rugs in the house. It sucks it up, and if you've ever had to pick your rug up out of your vacuum cleaner, you know that it's no fun. And the Dirt Devil gets those jobs done. Well, that's the end of this job for the day. And I already showed you how to empty it, so you have a blessed day. And I highly recommend the Dirt Devil vibe for small cleanups like this.